This is Punita here, and I'm speaking to all the little inside you, the little Mirabai inside you, each one of you there. Today, I am here to share a little tip with you, which is all going to talk about how to take care of yourself. हम सब बचपन से बड़े होते आए हैं, हमें कई चीज़ें सिखाई जाती हैं. We are taught a lot of things, except one, self-respect. I strongly propose that we look up to ourselves as much as we look up to others. So, in simple little words, हम लोग कई बार बहुत कुछ सीखते हैं दूसरों को. Hey, hi. So, हम लोग कई बार देखते हैं, सीखते हैं दूसरों से, और ये एक कारण बन जाता है हमारे लिए कि हम we start seeing our identity in them, through them. So, उनका हार या जीत, उनके शॉर्टकमिंग्स या एडवांटेजेस ज़रूरी नहीं है कि हमारे हों. It's not necessary that we stick our identity to what they think. Our priorities, our goodnesses, ये हमारी हैं. We need to learn to accept ourselves completely. That is what the message I wanted to give you. We all are taught self-love, but self-respect is something we all need to be working, thinking about, and that's what I'm proposing. Till we learn to respect ourselves, till we learn to give ourselves that credibility, हमारे अंदर, if inside us we do not respect ourselves, we cannot ask anybody else around us to respect us. So, this little message from Modern Mirabai to all the Mirabais who are watching me right now, thank you so much. I mostly will be coming and catching up with you every day in the morning right here. I'll try coming back from my morning run. You can see a lot of people behind me on their runs. And it's wonderful when you get up in the morning and आप अपने लिए, अपनी सेहत का जब आप ध्यान देते हैं, बहुत अच्छा लगता है. I provoke you, I push you, I inspire you. Get up and start taking care of yourself. Thank you so much. Bye.